All right, guys, 2014 Camaro RS V6. Custom wheels, white stripes, all that fancy-wancy stuff. What we got done on it? Factory 4 converter setup. 2 here, 2 here. Then he brought his own SPEC-D tuning exhaust right there. Boom and boom. So it becomes true dual with resonators in the center. 2 1/4 piping continues out the back on each side, there and right there, and then 2 mufflers out the back, there and there. It's all SPEC-D, and then 2 blue flame tips to complete the look, there and there. There's the original exhaust that was on it right there. There's original glass packs, and then he cut the mufflers off. They all rotted off and just fell off. You guys can see. So we just took it all off and cleaned it up. It looks so much nicer, so much cleaner now. And like always, guys, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Better. Oh yeah, that's good. SPEC-D tuning. Cap back exhaust. Here's sound decibels. 116 again. Go ahead and back it out. Chevy Camaro RS V6. It's pretty loud. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro RS V6 with a SPEC-D tuning exhaust. Cab back. Sounds good. Not bad.